is a water test I'd like you to try. What we're going to do is take off the nuts off of the top of the Q1, 3, and the 2. The Q1 is your cooling for your vessel, Q3 is your condenser cooling, and Q2 is your reflux. With the nuts off, take the 2 and Q3 off and press stop on your control panel. What that's going to do is put water through your instrument like it's a cool down. Right now Q1 is activated and also Q3, but we want that off of there because I want you to go from one valve to the next. Here's your water flow coming out of Q1. It's fast. It's allowing a lot of water to go through that heating plate to cool it down as fast as possible. With that done, take this off and put it on Q3. You should feel it open up. Q3 is going to be a little slower. Okay, but you're going to have significant amount of water coming through it. And then from there, verifying that, go to Q2. Your Q2 should be even slower but steady. You want to make sure 2Q is working properly.
Right, and also on Q2, you'll see on the front, you should see the flow control operating, and you do. So Tom, unplug Q2. See that float drop? Plug it back in. So you're basically using Q1 to power the Q2 valve. And that will prove that all 3 valves are working. Now, go ahead.
There could be some blockage in here. There could be blockage in here, or in here because of calcium buildup, depending on if your water is hard at your lab or not. And there could also be some blockage in your drain line manifold. So we need to determine if the water is definitely flowing through your instrument, because that will leave a significant amount of ether into your vessel. So after you're done doing that test, go ahead and replace Q1 on the first valve. Q3 is the middle valve, and Q2 is the other end valve. And go ahead and put the nuts back on.